today you're going to introduce a new product. This is Trevor. He's from a company called Humaterra. So Trevor, why don't you tell us about your product?
Humaterra. Humaterra was formed in 2017. This is our first, 2022 was our first commercial year, and we're very happy with our yield results. We're seeing yield bumps across multiple crops. Essentially, we make a living soil inoculant that is rich in fungi and bacteria. We make two products. One product has a lower fungal to bacteria ratio that is designed for brassicas, so canola, mustard, cabbage, kale. They prefer bacteria-rich soils. We make an H-Start broadacre product that is for everything else. It's got a higher fungal to bacteria ratio. That is what we're seeing is missing in the soils that we farm here in Western Canada, is a lower fungal bodies. So we're adding those in, and it's an in-furrow application at 35 pounds per acre, which creates about an inch and a half spacing. We've added feedstocks into our pellets, so that when that pellet gets inside and surrounds the seed, it starts to populate and has something to feed on for the fungi and bacteria. So protein, starches, and carbon.
Mm-hmm. So this product, by boosting microbials in the soil, will also help with increasing nutrient cycling, which could show benefit in some of these heavily manured fields.
Right. Yeah, we're actually seeing some very interesting things. We're seeing hormone production. So some of the microbes that we're adding in produce auxins, cytokinins, and gibberellins. We're seeing nutrient mobilization. These are the decomposers that we're adding into the soil. We're also seeing a pathogen population shift, which was very interesting. We weren't sure when it was going to happen. We knew it was going to happen, and it's happened in the second year of treatment. We're also seeing stress adaptation and salt tolerance. So everybody's got a little saline areas in their farming field. It seems to, some of the salt tolerant microbes seem to really benefit crop production.
Excellent. And you have some yield results to show us as well?
We do indeed. So canola, we're seeing an average of 3 to 5 bushel an acre increase across our independents. We're in 11 independent research centers throughout Alberta and Saskatchewan. And so we're locked in for the next 4 to 5 years to figure out and answer a lot of questions. But the first year of application, we're seeing a 3 to 5 bushel increase in canola. We're seeing a 3 bushel increase in wheat. We're seeing a 7 bushel increase on average in barley. And we're seeing a 6 bushel increase out of Ontario for corn.
Mm-hmm. And you're seeing that increase even the second year after application?
Correct.
Because it's a biological, it's going to continue living in the soil.
It doesn't go away. So we have a stacked trial of 2 years showing that what we're seeing in the first year is replicated in this second year, and it has a compounding factor. So the more populations we're building in the soil seems to have the more population over 2 years seems to have a bigger effect on yield.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for this information. If you need to know anything more, please contact us at AgriPlus and we'll put you in contact with Trevor. And that'll be it for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.